Engine room, ahead 3/4. Stand by. Steady as you go. Captain,
Welcome aboard the Liberty. I'm your captain, Horace Bixby, and my pilot with me here on the Texas deck is a young fellow that goes by the name Sam Hunt. He's working his 100 voyage down the river today with migraine calamity on his own. Sam brings us good luck home happy. Sam, tell our guests everything you know about this river.
well now. But I will tell you this. I love this river more than anything. I've loved this river, even from the time I was a toddler back in Missouri. Before we get too much further out of port, I think I should mention that it does not be sitting on those handrails. They're the only thing between you and the river, and the river don't always take kindly to running by together. We also have the sorts of river pirates out there that want to vicinity, so I wouldn't lean out beyond those rails for that reason either. Now, for those of you on the port side, that river town we're passing is Frontierland. A few years back, it was no more than a boom town carved out of the wilderness by a handful of settlers looking to start a new life. Today, utility and decorum are running rampant. Oh, it still has its share of footloose traffic, steel boaters, prospectors, and Indians too, but mostly it's flush time and well on its way to become a fine big city. Frontierland reminds me some of my own hometown, Canada. Takes me back to when I was a barefoot boy growing up alongside the riverbank. You know, it seems to me that when I was younger, I could remember everything, whether it happened or not. As I grow older, I seem to remember only the things that never happened at all. See that peak just beyond the outskirts of Frontierland? That's Chickapin Hill, or at least it used to be. Dam burst a few years back. Folks been calling it Splash Mountain ever since. Some have even taken to riding hollowed out logs over the big falls. Seems far-fetched, I know, but it's the truth. All my life, it seems I never could tell a lie that anybody would doubt, nor a truth that anybody would believe. But believe me when I tell you, truth is the most valuable thing we have. So I make sure I only use it with time. That island over across the way, on the starboard side, was my stomping grounds when I was young. Exceedingly young. Marvelously young. Young by hundreds of years. Younger than I will ever be again. It's called Tom Sawyer's Island, and is named for a friend from my boyhood. Even today, the only way we can get there is by raft. Old man Hart was dreaming of it there, back in the woods just off Tom's land. And that's Muck Potter's Pond and his winding. We almost came once, and there's Huck's land. I always did like Huck. He could swear just wonderful. He and Tom and I spent most of our wild and reckless youth exploring this river. Lots of caves, lots of adventure, if you know where to look. Oh, that's Super Twisted Creek. It connects the Big Island to the Little. And if you follow the wilderness trail there, it'll lead you right up to the gates of Fort Lang. It's the last trading outpost before we head into Indian country. Look off to the port side there. Every now and then, the water under that crest of rock comes to a natural boil and Birds out all over the place, like a tea kettle left on fire too long. Indians around here used to tell me these geysers were actually unfriendly spirits, upset by uninvited festivals. Hey, that's Big Thunder Mountain poking up in the sky over there. The Indians named it that because of the sound the falls used to make when the big rains came. And the miners and prospectors and get-rich-quick speculators showed up, and the name stuck because of the sound of blasting powder going off every few minutes. There's not so much blasting these days. Ghost stories, a runaway mine train loaded down with simple-hearted, terror-filled folks like you.
Students stay over there begging people to walk this way. Son, go around the dock. Son, just go watch. The thing underneath the water? Yeah. So that. I think it's supposed to look like they're fishing a lot. See it come up and come up. I think it's fish. Yeah, I think so. I think it's supposed to look like underneath their water. Just get there. Like a fish, they're catching. Fish, they're catching.
Well, I'll be. Look who's drifted out of the bayou. Off the port, Captain. It's Beacon Joe.
Well, Beacon's been marking this river for longer than I can remember. Every time the river passes through the channel, Beacon puts out a marker to let us know whether it's safe to travel or not. However, Sam here's been bragging that if push came to shove, he could navigate the Liberty Bell on a heavy dude. Isn't that so, Sam?
Well, I was born hunky, Captain, but mostly it's worn off. Captain, Indian village to port.
Now that's something you don't see much out this way. That's an Algonquin Indian village. Looks to be from the Powhatan tribe. And usually they stay further east. I've seen Seminole and as far west. And of course your Shawnee, Blackfeet, and Crow, but I've never seen Algonquins out here.
Lots of game out this way. I've seen moose, deer, and plenty of other critters along the shoreline.
Could be why the Powhatans are up this far. Just following the beach. That other village off the fort that has been here for a while, most of the Indians along the river don't quite know what to make of our steamboat. They call it Hello, which means fire. And because of the smoke and sparks the river. stops there. And the first time he passed this way, they thought it was the return of one of their heavenly messengers. But he said our river was a comet of the sun. Just beyond the village, up that hill, is their sacred burial ground. Those who fall in battle placed atop the traditional bed of death. After nightfall, they'll return to mourn the great warriors on honor to the prophet.
Attention deck watch. Show us the port and starboard. Engine room, steady up.
We're entering.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to click that like button and subscribe to our Endless Summer channel.